My second term, with all sincerity, I will continue to push for pro-poor programs and laws, especially on health. Health is wealth. We must work together to bring quality medical services closer to our people, particularly the poor and indigent patients. Ang kalusugan ay katumbas ng buhay ng bawat Pilipino. With the help of my fellow legislators, we will also continue to help our future generations. The youth whose voices we heard last elections and who hold the promise of a brighter future for our country. Hence, we need to invest more in education. As an advocate of sports, we should also further advance sports development in the country, especially in the grassroots, so that aspiring young athletes can be given the opportunity to improve their skills and hopefully, eventually, produce more Olympic medalists who will bring honor to our country. That is why I keep encouraging fellow Filipinos, especially the youth, to get into sports, stay away from drugs, to keep us healthy and fit. We will also push for legislations that, if enacted, will provide more opportunities in terms of job creation and livelihood support. Together, we must pursue and strengthen food security in order to ensure that there is food on the table of our people. We must continue our fight against criminality, illegal drugs, and corruption for a more peaceful and orderly society. Mahalaga pong nakakalakad sa gabi ang ating mga kababayan na walang takot